Namaskar. I'm Dr. Mary Dcruz, practicing as a physician and diabetologist in Kolkata. My clinic is at 42 Anandopalit, and I have many patients who come for their treatment of diabetes, hypertension, and other related issues. We are going to celebrate and observe World Yoga Day on June 21st. It has been widely spread message across the world by the leaders in our country that yoga is the way to good health. So today I'm going to ask you, what is it that we are doing all the time and yet we are not aware of it because we do not put our mind to it? Yes, it is breathing. Just like your heart beats, you are also breathing constantly, but we are really not aware of our sense of breathing. We now have to become like small children and breathe like them. That is, when we breathe, if you observe a small child, you will see his abdomen rising up and down, and that's how we are to breathe. So we have some exercise called Anulom Vilom, but I will teach you something simple. When you sit down with your legs folded on the ground, with your hands placed on the knees, and you hold it in Gyan Mudra. That means your index finger and your thumb will be together placed on the knees. And just close your eyes and just try not to visualize anything, just have a blank approach. Initially, you will find a lot of thoughts and processes entering your mind. But when you still yourself, you will be able to concentrate. That is meditation. And now you concentrate on your breath. You take a deep breath in and fill your lungs. And then you take twice the time to breathe out. That means you totally empty your breath out. And then we will talk about other breathing exercises. So what are the benefits of doing these breathing exercises? They actually help you to control your blood sugar by lowering your cortisol levels. They also reduce your hypertension or high blood pressure by relaxing and reducing your pressure by about 3 to 4 mm of mercury. Many studies have been done across India and in AIIMS, Delhi, to show that doing yoga on a regular basis reduces your blood pressure, your sugar, and also improves your stress levels. So we can begin by doing an exercise which is very simple and anybody can do it. Even if you have problems standing, you can sit down and do it. So this is essentially taking in a deep breath, raising your arms backwards and upwards, and this causes a generalized feeling of well-being. Stay in this position for some time and then bring down your arms. This will enhance your breathing as well as your sense of well-being and reduce your stress. We are going to now talk about the cobra pose or the bhujangasana, in which you lie down on the ground with your elbows close to the body and your palms flat on the ground, and slowly raise your body upwards like a cobra. In this way, you breathe deep in and out.
Again, feel a beautiful stretch in the front of the body and also at the back of the body. The extension in the front is very beneficial for your kidney health. Keep breathing, embrace this posture for the next few seconds. And with the next exhalation, gently relax your forehead on the mat and come out of the posture. Now slowly, let's lie down on your back, roll towards the left side or the right side, and gently roll onto the back of the body.
This helps you to improve your circulation to the pancreas, improve your diabetes control, as well as good for the back and lower backache if you have, this also is improved. So Bhujangasana or Cobra pose is very effective in stomach ailments, but particularly in diabetes control. We're now going to talk about the Vajrasana or Thunderbolt pose, in which you sit on the ground with your buttocks on the heels and your thighs placed on the calves, and hold your arm in front in a Namaste pose. This is the only asana that can be done after eating. All other asanas in yoga are done on an empty stomach. When you do this asana, you actually help your abdomen and your stomach to assimilate your food better. It improves the circulation in the pancreas. It also increases blood circulation in the legs and lower limbs, which is a common problem in diabetes. So this is an asana can be done even after eating. So I would like to thank all of you for having listened to me talk about yoga asanas for this year's Yoga Day. I welcome you to do all these asanas and do it on a regular basis. Even if you spend 15 to 20 minutes on your exercises, it will bring great benefits to you. Thank you.